Dr. Jitendra Singh, Menteri Ketenat Earth Sciences and Science and Technology ke Sarkar India, Pnyah ya ke Jingelang ki officer rangba jong ke Bhoi district ban Peit bat bishar Bniah ya ki kam Pynroi ba ke Sarkar India kala Beijing lut na ke benta ke ni ke district. Ha ke ni ke Jingelang ka balalong ha office jong ke North Eastern Space Application Center NISAC nongsder ki officer rangba jong ki tenat bapher balalam khmat da Deputy Commissioner Dr. Abhishek Saini kila a ya ki kai phot rekam ban kentiu ya ka roi ka pa jong ki pat ba ke Bhoi district. Hakani ke Jingelang Dr. Abhishek Saini DC ula batai sani bin pa bin ya ki jingtrei jong ki tenat Pynroi ki bakentup ya ka kwat ka khia healthcare karap karyang agriculture education rural infrastructure drinking water supply bat ka jingkentiu ya ki nongrap farmers welfare program. UDC ula batai Bniah aru ya ki kam ki badang ya shaprang ki bakentup ya ka jingshna ya ki surok ki lenti sengkien ki jingking yat kali bat ki wei ki kam Pynroi na ka benta ka jingbit jingbiang jong ki pat nong snong kari Bhoi district. Habala yo sngo ya ki jing pentrei kam ya ki scheme babon jat jong ka Sarkar India na ki bor Sanshar district. Dr. Jitendra Singh ulaya ro bat penslur ya ki officer ka ne ka district bantur shaprang ban pendep ya ki kam ba ki lasdang ban pentrei kam. Ula kentu ki benetre lang da ka wei ka but ka bor bat da ka jinglen lade na ka benta ka roi ka pa jong ki pat ba ka ni ka district. Ula banjur ban pentrei kam ya ki scheme jong ka Sarkar India kumbala mang ya ki kat kum ki jingdan kam ki pat ba da ka jing thmu ban kentiu ya ka bit ka biang jong ki pat nong snong ha baro ki snong ki thau jong ka district. Ya kari Bhoi district la kentiu ka thup bat ka kerdan jong ki district kari India ka basliang ban kiu irat shaprang.
By upgrading the former civil subdivision, it was carved out of the earlier East Khasi Hills district. Overall literacy rate is. So percentage of low birth weight babies is 5%, and percentage of live babies who are weighed at birth, sir, 100% are weighed. Then, sir, the number of fully immunized children, that is around 82%, sir. Yes, champions of change. Yes. So the rankings of performance issues which we have got multiple times with and all. Next. So TB cases notification rate is there, sir. That is 120% this time, sir, because the target was somehow lowered, so that's why it has gone up to 120% plus many. So the TB Mukt 100 days campaign was there. So many asymptomatic cases were also caught, sir. And then, sir, TB treatment success rate among the notified TB patients, that is 88%. And proportion of the sub-centers or PHCs that have been converted into health and wellness centers is 100%, sir. Total 47 facilities we have, and all have been upgraded into health and wellness centers. Next. Garos, Karris, Marangas, Mikirs, Bodos, Lalungs, Rabhas and Hajongs. Sir, the Bhoi, sir, as in most part of Meghalaya, they follow the matrilineal with one urban area, that is the Nongpo Town Committee. There are a total of 46,872 households. Sir, we have one civil subdivision, that is the Patharkhama civil subdivision.
Do your ranking in the dashboard, and that is what is being monitored also by the engineer. But nothing prevents you from adding value. आप CSR में कुछ extra चीज बढ़वा लो. If you have to score over other counterparts, other collectors. जैसे STEM क्या है, और CSR ऐसी जगह लगवा रहा है जहाँ आपके पास गवर्नमेंट का सोर्स ना हो. तो जैसे STEM की लैब्स एज ए मैंडेट ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट आपका टेंडर कर रहा है, उसको कहिए कि मेरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में लगा, वो लगाएगा, उसको सरकारी फंड मिल रहा है उसके लिए थ्रू डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस. तो आप यही CSR जो NTPC का है, ये आप कुछ और लगा दीजिए. You can have some mobile teleclinic, something like that. So next time when you make the presentation, you can towards the end say, so these were the various parameters laid down in the aspirational district program. जिसको क्या कहते हैं ADP, Now, in addition to that, what we have humbly trying to do is as follows. So that, Dr. Sarma, what can you do further?
Normally in the welfare sector, there are many traditional leaders who work in Meghalaya. So for this, we have not worked with this Bhoi district, but we have worked with the others.
No, but what do you do? What is?
So we get charge of Institute of Bioresource and Sustainable Development. So this is under Department of Biotechnology and Ministry of Science and Technology.